Pour this in once a month and turn it on. Your dishwasher will be like new. Cloudy glasses, plates, and silverware are a common problem, but the solution is simpler than you think. First, slide out the bottom rack. Remove the filter, because that's where food scraps get trapped and block the water flow. At the bottom of the filter, you'll see buildup that forms with every wash and doesn't disappear during a normal cycle. Now it's time to clean the inside thoroughly. Sprinkle in half a cup of baking soda, which not only softens the water, but also neutralizes odors and helps remove grime. Then add a little salt, which boosts the detergent and makes the wash more effective. Next, pour in a cup of vinegar, which dissolves grease and limescale. You'll immediately see it fizz as the reaction helps clean every corner. Pour over hot water so the soda, salt, and vinegar work faster and break down dirt. Now, take care of the filter. Place it in the sink, sprinkle it with baking soda and a little salt, then pour vinegar over it. The fizzing action will loosen the dirt. Rinse with hot water and the filter will come out clean and refreshed. Put it back, slide in the bottom rack, and run the dishwasher on a standard cycle. With these simple steps, your appliance regains full efficiency and works like new. Your dishes will come out sparkling clean, shiny, and streak-free, and you'll enjoy the results for a long time. You've been using your dishwasher wrong your whole life. Discovering these secrets will make doing the dishes effortless. You've probably noticed that you can adjust some small parts of your dishwasher. For example, the upper rack has wine glass holders on the sides. Placing them here ensures the glasses are perfectly cleaned, and you can easily slide out the cutlery drawer. You can also adjust the height of the upper rack to create more space. Just pull it out slightly and lower each side. Always place cups along the sides of the dishwasher so they're tilted at the right angle to prevent water from pooling on the surface. Small bowls work best like this, slightly tilted so water jets can clean the inside thoroughly. The same goes for plates. You're probably placing them straight up, which makes the water spray upward instead of hitting the dirty surface. Plates should be angled so the spray directly targets the grime. When the cycle ends, place a kitchen towel over the top rack. It will absorb excess moisture that would otherwise settle on the dishes. These simple tricks will completely transform your dishwashing. Everything will shine effortlessly. Take a piece of aluminum foil, crumple it into a ball, and throw it into the dishwasher. Your dishes will shine like never before. Their brilliance will blind you. Everyone will ask you what you use to wash them. If you have favorite glasses and are constantly dissatisfied with their appearance after being taken out of the dishwasher, then this trick is for you. You'll forget about dull glasses, dishes, or stemware. From now on, their shine will delight your eyes. All arranged on the shelf will be perfectly clean and shiny. The trick with aluminum foil balls works not only on glass. It also cleans and polishes cutlery. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny knives, forks, spoons, and teaspoons. And all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Unroll a piece from the roll and crumple it into a ball. Place such a ball in the dishwasher. Put it between the glasses. Place another one or two between the cutlery. Aluminum foil reacts with detergents during dishwashing. As a result, it oxidizes the dull glasses, stemware, or cutlery. A small ball of foil works wonders. It's like polishing dishes and cutlery, except that aluminum foil will do it for you. Always put aluminum foil balls in the dishwasher. Metal pots, glasses, and cutlery will shine. Your neighbors will envy you. Place a colander on the pan. When you find out why, you'll immediately love this idea. It helps, and it really works. Almost everyone has a metal colander in the kitchen, also known as a strainer. A colander is a kind of larger sieve. It can be in the form of a pot. However, a colander with handles is more commonly used. You use it to drain dishes, such as pasta. It's also used for washing fruits and vegetables, especially the smaller ones. Few people use it for frying. And it's precisely because of it that frying is much better. I can't imagine a kitchen without this utensil, especially when I want to fry previously frozen products. For example, frozen fish. There are several methods recommended by chefs for this. The first method is to wipe the pan with vinegar before frying. Pour a little vinegar into the pan and wipe it with a paper towel. Then pour in and heat the fat. The second method is to add a pinch of salt to the fat while frying. Another trick is to fry the dish, whether it's meat or fish, with slices of raw potato. And if you forget to rub the pan with vinegar, don't have potatoes, and forget about salt, then use a colander. Why all this? These are ways to prevent fat from splattering during frying. If there's even a bit of water left in the fish, the fat will splatter all over. Instead of a lid, use a colander. The steam will escape freely, the dish will continue to fry, and your kitchen will remain clean. Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and free of stains and streaks. No scrubbing or polishing required. Start by preparing a glass oven-proof dish. Place all your cutlery in the dish. Then, sprinkle them with baking powder. Baking powder has excellent cleaning properties. Now add a bit of vinegar to the cutlery. Vinegar will make them even cleaner. But that's not all. Pour in some rinse aid that you use for your dishwasher. Fill the dish with hot water until all the cutlery is completely submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients do their work. After this time, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly shiny it is. This is a simple way to restore the shine to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. This trick delivers truly spectacular results. Just dry them off and you're done. Try this method and see how easily you can achieve spotless shine on your cutlery.